What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Xrdoge token. Xrdoge is the name of the token. Xrdoge is also the ticker symbol. This token just got listed on CoinGecko within the last day or two. It's on the XRP blockchain, and that's where Xrdoge, the name, comes from. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. Xrdoge. So last time I saw it, it was up 59%. And then I just refreshed the page, and now it's down 17%. So that's how crypto works. It's up, it's down, it's all over the place. Very volatile. So Xrdoge.com is their official webpage. You can find their contract address, price chart, all that is available on CoinGecko. Even their Twitter's on here, and their XRP scan is also on here. So if we scroll down, it says that this token is available on one central exchange right now. So if you want to get this token, you can get it off of Bitrue, B-I-T-R-U-E. So basically, you would just download Bitrue from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You could get it on your PC, I'm sure, as well. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, then go into the trade section on Bitrue and search Xrdoge, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you simply just buy the token. It's that easy. So on CoinGecko, it says Xrdoge is built on the ultimate utility network of Xrpl and the ultimate utility coin XRP. With the utility taken care of, and with lightning fast transactions and super cheap fees, Xrdoge is taken off the leash of utility concerns. Using the Xrpl powered XUM wallet, Xrdoge already has access to a decentralized exchange. No need to wait. So I guess, yeah, you can get it off of, get it with your XUM wallet, and you spell that X-U-M-M. I've never downloaded that wallet, so I couldn't tell you fine details about it, but that's what it says on here. So Xrdoge is the ultimate meme token built on the fast, staggeringly cheap, decentralized XRP ledger. Xrdoge brings together the utility of XRP with the memetic power of Doge without confusion. So yeah, a lot of blockchains like the lesser, I wouldn't say XRP is a lesser blockchain or nothing, but I mean, what am I trying to say? The lesser used blockchains, like, I mean, everybody uses Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum, and then we got Solana, AVAX gets used a lot, even Phantom, I would say, is up there. You don't see a ton of tokens on the XRP blockchain. So yeah, now we got a Doge one, and a lot of them, have Doge, like Ethereum Doge, Binance Smart Chain Doges. Every major blockchain has a Doge token on it. So now we got, I don't know if this is the first one, but now XRP has a Doge. There could have been one before this too. I'm not sure. There could have been XRP Doge for all I know. There probably was with crypto. Knowing crypto, there probably was. So you can go to their Twitters, at Xrdoge. Pretty easy to find. They just joined in July 2022. It says, developing the Xrdoge ecosystem beyond boundaries. They have 792 followers, 158 tweets. And yeah, so their official webpage is listed on here too, Xrdoge.com. Pretty easy to find that as well. They have tons of socials listed on their webpage, but they're not listed on CoinGecko. So they have a Instagram, YouTube channel, Discord, Telegram, Twitter. They have NFTs, memes, team section, info. All that stuff's on here. Let me see if their XRP buttons, XRP scan works here. So, yeah, it looks like it works. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, their XRP scan works there. And, yeah, their webpage says, unleash the ultimate force of Xrdoge. When you enter the world of Xrdoge, you have the opportunity to be a part of the greatest token on the XRP ledger, bringing the #1 premier meme coin. Our loyal community grows stronger by the day. Combining partnerships and exchange listings, we develop the value of our token along with exclusive NFTs, bringing utility and excitement to the community. Become a part of the Xrdoge army today, and we will take you to the moon. So they have a section to buy Xrdoge right on their page, so you could do that instead of going on BitTrue. You can also buy NFTs right off the page. They have a roadmap and a full white paper on here. Harness the power of Xrpl, built on the ultimate utility network of Xrpl. Cheap fees, lightning fast transactions. So tokenomics, it says 75% of the supply goes to airdrops. 25% goes to exchange liquidity, development, influencers, marketing, listing, and teams. So we're like, wow, lots of 75% goes to airdrops. So who's getting airdrop? People who own the NFTs, I'm assuming? That would make sense. Maybe it says in the white paper. The roadmap's on here, starting with, I don't even know where it starts. Okay, probably down here. Listing on Bitmart, charity partnerships, development, decentralized growth model through HKC, NFT combo, digital and physical, community collaboration, work with exchange on education platform, acquire monthly magazine, new shop apparel and merch, expansion, grow team and operations, listing on bigger exchanges, and new HKC 3D NFTs. So, yeah, if I click on their white paper, let me see if this works as well. Looks like their white paper does work. It's loading up here. It's a PDF, and it is 7 pages long. I'm just seeing if it says anything about the airdrops there. It shows you step-by-step kind of how to buy this off of with your Zum wallet there. A couple team members look like they're somewhat doxed on the page there. And yeah, it doesn't really... Well, there's some fine details here. I don't want to read through all this tiny print, though. Huge disclaimer for sure. But yeah, check it all out. Xrdoge.com. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.